Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam achievements not showing. This is a common issue that can be frustrating when you've earned those hard-fought achievements but they're not appearing on your profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar. Then type Task Manager to open Windows Task Manager. Once the Task Manager app appears in the search results, click on it to launch the application. This tool allows you to manage running processes and applications on your computer. Now, inside Task Manager, locate Steam in the list of running applications. Right-click on Steam and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will completely close Steam and all its background processes. Don't worry, Steam will automatically launch again, so just wait for a few seconds while it restarts. This fresh restart often resolves achievement syncing issues. Once Steam reopens, in the upper right corner, click your username and then select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your Steam profile page where all your gaming information is displayed. Now in the right panel, click Edit Profile. This opens your profile customization settings where you can make changes to how others see your profile information. Next, in the left panel, click Privacy Settings. This section controls who can view different aspects of your profile. Look for My Profile and right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Public. This is important because if your profile is set to private or friends only, your achievements won't display properly even if they're being tracked in the background. Now in the upper left corner, click Library to return to your game collection. In the left panel where all your games are listed, right-click the game that Achievements is not showing for and select Properties from the context menu. This opens a window with detailed settings and information about that specific game. In the left panel of the Properties window, click Installed Files. This section contains tools for managing your game's local files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature scans your game installation and compares it against Steam servers to ensure all files are correct and nothing is corrupted. Wait for the verification process to finish, as this may take a few minutes depending on the game size. Once complete, restart Steam and launch your game to check if achievements are now showing. If achievements still aren't appearing, there's one more solution to try. In the upper left corner, click Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel, click Downloads to access download-related settings. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation window will appear, so click Confirm to proceed. This clears Steam's download cache, which can sometimes interfere with achievement synchronization. After clearing the cache, Steam will restart automatically, and your achievements should now display correctly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.